Dobrodošli u malu školu hip-hopa sa Synestate klikom. Večeras vam predstavljamo veliki hip-hop godine, na redu je 1996. Po meni jedna od najboljih hip-hop godina ikad, barem po broju izdanih albuma, klasika koji su te godine izašli, pa krenimo redom. Godina je počela sa Fugeesima, The Score, album koji je poharao cijeli svijet sa svojim singlima.
My body's made a hand grenade. Girl bled to death while she was tongue kissing the razor blade. That sounds sick, maybe one day I'll write the horror. Blackula comes to the ghetto. Jackson Acura. Stevie Wonder sees crack babies becoming enemies in their own families.
Nakon toga odmah udara Tupac sa svojim duplim diskom All Eyes on Me. Svi znamo California Love, single sa tog albuma. Busta Rhymes 1996. izdaje svoj album Prvijenac, The Coming. Do danas možda njegov najbolji album, nikad nadmašen. Ghetto Boysi izdaju meni prejak album The Resurrection. Tu su i Lost Boysi iz Queensa sa svojim albumom Legal Drug Money. Kool Keat je imao dva jaka albuma te godine, Dr. Octagon, možda njegov najjači album ikad, i sa tim Dogom kombinacija koja se nazvala Ultra. Prvijenac Helter Skelter, The Nocturnal, jedan od mojih najdražih albuma, uistinu fantastičan album. Jigga, a.k.a. Jay-Z, Reasonable Doubt, njegov album Prvijenac. Nas, It Was Written, njegov drugi album.
Headed for Delaware with one change of gear. Nothing on my mind but the dime sack we blaze, with the glaze in my eye that we find when we crave dollars and cents. A fugitive with two attempts. Jake's had no trace of the face. Now they drew a print. Though I'm innocent to proving guilty, I'ma try to get filthy. Purchase a club and start up a realty. For real G, I'ma fulfill my dream. If I conceal my scheme, then precisely I build my cream. The first
Cypress Hill, nakon Temples of Booma, izašli su 96. sa vrlo jakim EP-om Unreleased ili Revamped, gdje ima remikse od njihovih starih stvari. Meni uistinu genijalan album. Ovaj album svi vjerovatno znate ako ste slušači hip-hopa, Outkast, 80 Aliens, što reći o tom albumu, klasiku, u punom smislu te riječi.
Corners like I was a curve, I struck a nerve, and now you about to see the southern player serve. I heard it's not where you from, but where you pay rent. Then I heard it's not what you make, but how much you spend, you got me.
Exhibit izdaje svoj prvi album At the Speed of Life.
Sometimes I wonder if it's all worth my while. Exhibit stay versatile with $1,000,000 lifestyle, and I can feel it as a child growing up. The niggas that was real and the niggas that was scared as fuck. That's why Exhibit only roll with a chosen few. You ain't really real, I can tell when I look at you. So ease off the trigger talk, you ain't killing shit, it's not affecting me. Or the niggas that I'm chilling with, I don't believe the hype or buy wolf tickets. Nigga, you make a gang of noise, you never seem like a cricket.
Bow Down, West Side Connection, totally represent za West Coast, za lijevu obalu. Meni je jedno od najdražih gangsta albuma ikad. ODB je izdao vrlo rijedak EP, nema ga baš svakom. Zove se ODB EP, jednostavan naziv, sa dosta remiksova svojih stvari i par neobjavljenih stvari. Ghostface Killah izdaje svoj prvi album, Wu-Tang nastavlja na svoju fantastičnu seriju prvih albuma koje su započeli sa Enter the 36 Chambers, Iron Man. Po mnogima jedan od najboljih albuma te godine, meni osobno jedan od najdražih. OGC Original Gun Clappers izdaju svoj album Prvijenac, The Store. Sljedeći album na listi je album tada već pokojnog Tupaca, kojeg su ubili u 9. mjesecu 96. I ovo je njegov prvi od mnogih posthumnih albuma. Machiavelli, The 7 Day Theory, meni njegov najdraži album.
Gunklapper 3 yelling sounds the alarm. This ain't no drill, move your fucking ass cause they're here.
Dr. Dre izdao svoju kompilaciju The Aftermath, to je bio početak Aftermath Recordsa, njegovog labela nakon što je otišao sa Death Rowa. To je prva kompilacija koja je izašla na tom labelu. Mobb Deep izdaje svoj drugi album, Hell on Earth. Treći, tako je, pardon.
And yo, it's hell on earth. Who's next are gonna be first? The project's is frontline, and the enemy is one time. I ain't gotta tell you, it's right in front of your eye. And yo, it's hell on earth. Who's next are gonna be first? The project's is frontline, and the enemy is one time. I ain't gotta tell you, yo. Yo, the saga begins. Begin war, I'll draw first blood, be the first to set it off. My cause, tap all jaws, lay down laws. We take it with jaws, we do jokes, rust the doors. Here come the D's, time to make breeze, the guns toss. In full force, some team will go at your main source. My non-Taurus, hit bosses and take hostage.
Redman dolazi sa Muddy Waters. Klasik, ne može biti veći klasik. Po mnogima je Redman od najbolji album 96. godine.
Yo, I'm smoking herbals till it hurts you. I keep your daughter way out past her curfew. Hard, far from commercial. We don't give a fuck when we smoked out in the land that's doped out. Like that? No doubt. From this bomb weed I cop from the street. Get you open like butt cheeks from girls who be freaks. Hey yo, can I be SWV? You the one, nigga. Rap Shogun, yes, either one. I'm